Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. 5 Chevy Silverado, summertime. You're noticing, there seems to be a leak underneath my truck on the passenger side, kind of usually behind the passenger side tire. And sure enough, there it is. Take a look at it though. If it's clear liquid, it's probably just going to be condensation from your air conditioning system. You can actually just give a little dab of it and taste it with your mouth, with your tongue, and if you don't really taste anything, then it's probably water. You'll definitely taste something if it's antifreeze or anything else. Plus training fluid will be red. Transmission fluid's red usually. Coolant's usually green or orange. So, clear liquid. Drop it on the floor. And just go ahead and feel free to taste it. It's probably just water. No worries, it's working like it should.